Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, iPhone 14 Pro Max device. And now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and the charging mechanism itself. You're water resistant too. So I suggest to use any thin and plastic objects or wood objects. But I suggest to use old toothbrush, which you no longer use because toothbrush is the best tool to clean electrical schemes and others electrical devices. So I suggest to use old toothbrush, and now I will show you how to clear it. So take the brush in your hand, insert the one part of the brush into the connector. We have full toothbrush, but insert only one part and just pry the dirt out. It's not so simple to do, but I know you did it. Okay, we have it here. Great. Great. As you can see, my Lightning USB port is cleared now. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.